Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to uninstall Zoom Workspace in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just open Control Panel or go to Apps. So I'll be showing you the two ways also. So just go to Search and type for Control Panel, open it, and here we are having Programs, and select Programs and Features. Here if you scroll down to the end, we are having this Zoom Workplace. Either you can right click and select uninstall, or another way is going to be just go to search and type apps. You'll be getting this apps and features from system settings. Click on open, and here we'll be having the option to search this list. Search here for Zoom, and we are having Zoom Workplace. Click it and select uninstall. So you can choose either of these ways. I will just click here and select uninstall and select uninstall here. This will take some time, just be patient. Once it is uninstalled, as you can see here, we are not having that Zoom app anymore. So now we are done uninstalling, and after this we can check if we are having any folders related to Zoom. We can simply delete that also. So for that, just go to search and type for run. We'll be having this run system. Open it and just type here percentage app data percentage and click on OK, and will be taken to app data roaming. Here just scroll down and check if you have any folder named Zoom. Here I'm having it. We can simply delete this. So now just check the same for the other folders inside app data. So local here we are not having, and here also we are not having. Okay, so that's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.